This rock sample is rhyolite, which is a felsic igneous rock. Physical characters of rhyolite rock sample is light in color, feels rough and conchoidally fractured. It is massive in structure. The rock sample is hemicrystalline, phaneric to aphanitic in texture. In our previous video, we studied this rock under the microscope using thin sections. Now we will look at its hand specimen to observe the feature we can see without magnification. This rhyolite rock is composed of quartz, which can be identified by its colorless appearance, vitreous luster and absence of cleavage, and the rest of the constituent mineral are microcrystalline, which cannot be identified in hand specimen. If you want to check out the optical properties, make sure to watch the microscope video. I will give the link in description or in comment section. That's all for today. See you in our next video.